Hello, welcome to Utopia Restorations. I'm Will, and this is the lovely 6x6 that we've had in for some work. So what I'm going So here it is a Land Rover Stage 1 V8 6x6 done by Sandringham. So there you go, Sandringham 6, 6-wheel drive. Yeah, it's quite an interesting one. So I'll show you, give you a walk around so as usual, show you the inside and show you the outside and tell you what we've done. It's a pretty unique truck and it's a pretty interesting one. As you can see, it's all in lovely conditions. Excuse the whirring, we are battery charging. Here are the extra axles, and it's a tipper as well, which makes it pretty cool. So this is just off the top of my head. I believe it is a 81 model, so then it's registered in 83. You see the lovely check button here. I will show you the tipper working. All in all, yeah, pretty happy for it. So client wanted us to have a look at it. Yeah, gave an opinion, and then decided to pick it up. Came to us for some work with the interior, just a little bit of filtering with the engine. So it's a pretty one. It's unique. You can see the traditional Stage 1 grille on it. It does have Defender surrounds, but I think that was quite cool. Yeah, I'll show you inside. Let's see if I can get one-handed. So I wasn't able to do it one-handed, but here you go, here is the engine. It's a V8, got K&Ns on it. One of the things I will be doing before it's leaving, which is being finished this week, is getting a dual radiator fan, which we have the kit for. Just need a bit of fabrication work and just waiting for that to be completed. It's all pretty tidy, but as anything with old Land Rovers, there are some bits of spaghetti junction. It's got some cool things like some headers down there that you may be able to see. Yeah, all in all, just a fairly unique, quite interesting truck. So that's the engine. Let me now take you to the interior. Fitted, it is Exmoor trim deluxe seats in Oxford tan. I think these are fantastic. I've got them in my own Land Rover, and they're really good seats, and just completely change it. It goes very well with the offset blue. We have done these on tipping, so they can tip forward, so you can access things behind. Things you can see here is the new Range Rover Classic gear knob that we fit, and also one for the low range as well. Yeah, and I think they look really fantastic and add that sort of clarity and crispness to the interior. We do installs for this, and you can order them through us, so if you are interested, drop me a message. And this is the bit you wanted to see, trying to hold the door open, do it one-handed. Tip this forward, controller, up it goes. So yeah, very useful, it does go almost vertical. So yeah, this will be being used as a farm truck, which I very much like. Yeah, it's been a pleasure to have and a pleasure to work on. Definitely something different and unique. What do you think about it?